Hi guys! So today you are going to be taking a Transition 12C Career Interest Survey. Now on this survey, once you click the link in the email I sent you, you will answer the questions below. The questions below will help you to understand what jobs you might like or do well. Read each question and answer choices before picking the answer that best describes you. Then, think about jobs that would fit the answers you selected. So the very first thing you'll do is type your first and last name. Then I want you to read each question and carefully think about which one best matches you. For example, I prefer to work alone or with others. Decide which one is the best fit for you. Do you enjoy working with other people, or do you prefer to be alone? These will continue on to a prefer a job that will allow me to sit or require me to do a lot of standing and walking. We've talked about this before in class, so think about which one would best match you. You're going to continue on through each question, the whole way down to the bottom. At the bottom, you're going to take a guess at a job that might be a good fit for you based on your interests. And then next week, we're going to go over your choices and go over your results and see what careers are out there that match all of your choices. Once you have finished this, I will get a notification through email. And as long as you have finished this by 3:30 today, you will be marked present for class today. If you don't do this work today as async work, then you will be marked absent for transition this afternoon. All right, guys, have a great day. I will see you all next week in class.